Have your license plates been suspended in Illinois due to lack of insurance? Not sure what to do next? Don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process. Here are the steps to reinstate your suspended license plates in Illinois. First, understand that your license plates were suspended due to lack of insurance. You should have received a notice from the Illinois Secretary of State explaining the reason. On your notice, they will have a verification date. This is the date that the state is requesting insurance verification for. If you did have insurance on this date, you must provide your reference number to your insurance company and request they file your insurance with the state. If you did not have insurance on the verification date, you will need to purchase insurance coverage and have your insurance agent electronically file it with the state. Obtain proof of insurance. You need to have valid auto insurance coverage that meets Illinois state requirements. This does not have to be expensive. Work with an agency like Insured ASAP that provides the most affordable car insurance and is registered with the state of Illinois ILIVS database. Once you obtain car insurance, the state of Illinois will require insurance compliance to be filed electronically. Your agent at Insured ASAP can provide the state with compliance instantly. Unfortunately, the state of Illinois will require you to pay a $100 non-compliance fee if you did not have insurance on the verification date. This fee can typically be paid online through the Illinois Secretary of State's website. Once your agent electronically transmits your insurance compliance, a link to make a payment directly to the Secretary of State will be sent via text message or email. Congratulations! Your license plates have been reinstated. Confirmation of reinstated is sent to you in a welcome email for your records. Remember to keep your license plates valid by maintaining continuous auto insurance coverage. Ready to get started? Get a quote or chat online. Insured.com